Sir, it is always a difficult task to justify any taxation. Taxation has always very much disliked, and there is no surprise about it. But in spite of the difficult task, I am glad that our officers have been carrying on their work well. I agree that there are some cases where they may go wrong or overdo. If specific instances are brought to the notice of the government, certainly the matter will be gone into. When attempts are made to evade the tax, vigorous steps should be taken to deal with such attempts. Full stop. When this is done, people think it is harassment. I may tell the House that I am always prepared to go into genuine cases of harassment. The topics mentioned in the discussion are four or five. There is the question whether perishable articles should be exempted from tax, whether foodstuffs should be exempted from taxation, and whether the rate of taxation on certain luxury articles should be increased. With regard to the general aspect of the question, the Taxation Enquiry Commission is going into the whole matter. The government are awaiting the report of the commission and a commission. However, that does not mean that the government are not going to look into any individual small cases where luxury article where action is necessary. Full stop. I hope the commission will go into all aspects of the question, and its report will be very valuable with regard to the increase in the rate of tax on luxury articles. We have heard several suggestions. I may tell the House that there is already a higher rate of tax for things like motor vehicles, wireless sets, etc. How far these goods can be further taxed is a question which has to be examined. We cannot be loading these articles with further taxation. They cannot stand it. Full stop. As regards the suggestion for levy of a higher tax on luxury goods, I am in favor of levying it. Full stop. Because they are not essential articles. People who have money over and above what they actually require should be taxed a little more. This is quite reasonable. Suppose they want to buy costly items of toilet, it is then a lot of money will be going out of our hand. I would suggest these articles to be taxed heavily, but motor vehicles cannot bear a heavy taxation because today motor car is the common conveyance of the poor people also. Letter from the General Machines Company to Messrs. John and Company, Pune. Dear sirs, we thank you for your enquiry. Dated the 3rd April, we enclose a copy of our catalog and price list for your information. In this connection, we are pleased to state that in view of your order, we are prepared to give you 25% discount of our actual prices. We are sure that you will be very much satisfied with it. The terms of payment and delivery will be found on page 7 of our catalog. We hope and trust that our prices and terms will give you complete satisfaction. We have a number of customers throughout the country, and they have been pleased with the goods supplied by us. We have no doubt that you will also have the same satisfaction once you receive the goods from us. We look forward to your esteemed order at an early date. Yours faithfully.